Lampoon Tube, best channel for kids. Like, share and subscribe our channel, please.
A long time ago, there lived a woodpecker in a deep forest of Himachal Pradesh. This woodpecker bird was much bigger than other birds of the same family and also looked much more beautiful. His strong, long lips were bright red and his eyes were sparkling like sapphires. A lion lived in a cave not far from the tree where the woodpecker lived. One day he hunted a pig and ate the meat when a bone got stuck in his throat. Despite many efforts, he could not remove the bone and started screaming in pain. The whole forest started shaking with his terrible scream. Seeing this condition, the woodpecker felt great kindness. He felt that it was his duty to help his neighbor in danger. Thinking this, he came to a lower branch near the lion and said, "Sir, you seem to be suffering a lot. Tell me, what is the problem?" The lion said, "I have a bone in my throat while eating that pig." The woodpecker said, "Open your mouth wide if you can get the bone out." The woodpecker saw the bone as the lion yearned. Then he inserted his long, strong beak into the lion's mouth and pulled out the bone. The lion survived with absolute relief, very comfortably. He uttered a sound from his mouth. But surprisingly, the lion did not even feel the need to thank the woodpecker. The woodpecker flew away, but he felt great sadness. He thought, "I saved him by breaking the bone, but he didn't even greet me with a little sweet talk. This is called ungrateful." But the woodpecker did not stop there. He decided to examine the lion well. What is the character? He waited for the opportunity. One day, the woodpecker saw a lion killing and eating a deer. Seeing that, he went to the lion and said, "Sir, bow down. I was the woodpecker. That day I removed the bone from your throat." The lion took one look at the woodpecker, then began to chew the meat in his mind. But he didn't say anything. The character of the lion became very clear to the woodpecker. This is the last time to understand. The woodpecker said, "Sir, I really want to eat deer meat. If the little one gives a little piece." The lion heard the woodpecker and let out a roar, saying, "Oh, you poor bird! You are not brave enough I am the animal king. I am the sole emperor of this vast forest. You want my share of food? If you have the illusion of life, get away from me at once, Woodpecker said. You are very ungrateful. That day I saved you by removing the bone from your throat, but you are not able to give me a little piece of meat. The lion was very angry and said, your ambition is not low. You are calling me ungrateful. If I were ungrateful, then the day you put your head in my mouth and took out the bone, I would have chewed you off. The woodpecker flew away, but in his heart he vowed to make the lion pay for it. Day by day, the woodpecker ever watchful eye is on the lion. When will he get the chance to catch the lion? Another day, while eating meat again, a bone pierced the lion's throat. That pain again, that cry again. He runs, writing in pain, and just then the woodpecker appeared in front of him. Seeing the woodpecker, the lion said, oh, brother woodpecker, like that day, a big bone stuck in my throat, unable to remove. If the bone is not removed, I will surely die. Brother, save me by breaking the bone soon, the woodpecker said. Oh, ungrateful animal! I saved you that day by removing the bones, but you did not give me even a little meat in return. Do you remember that? You go to hell! The woodpecker flew away. The moral of this story is that those who are ungrateful, they get the right punishment at the right time.